there is Mink, there is Mega Volumes, there is Premade fans, there are flat eyelashes, there are Cashmere eyelashes. So these are some of the common ones we use, and these are the different definitions or the differences between each of them. So our vegan Mink eyelashes are used for both classic and volume eyelash extensions. They are very soft to the touch, and they're made with microfibers to mimic the natural look of hair. Now, compared to the Mink, our mega volume eyelashes, if you're using Mink eyelashes compared to mega volume eyelashes to do a pre-made fan, the mega volume eyelashes are way easier to use. And the reason for that is they're attached at the base, so when you pull them out to create that fan, it basically fans itself out. So they are matte and tapered on the edges to give you that nice, full, fluffy volume look. And keep in mind, the mega volumes are more in cost, and the reason for that is it helps you save a lot of time during your application. Plus, it's double the amount of eyelash extensions within that same box compared to the Mink, because there's 2 layers of them for the easy fanning out. Next, we have the Cashmere Wispy. So the main difference between the Cashmere lashes compared to the Mink eyelashes is within each row, as you can see, there's different lengths. They're not all the same length, just like the Mink eyelashes. They're mixed in there to give you that wispy look again. So these only come in 4 size options. Basically, there's a short and a long for a C curl, and then there's a short and a long for a D curl. Because they are mixed in there, you just use the short and the long depending on the shape you want to create. So for example, if you're doing a cat eye, so longer in the outer corners, you can put the shorter ones in the beginning and the longer ones in the outer edges. And since the sizes are mixed within there, those fans are just going to look nice and wispy, but still give you that cat eye. So with the pre-made fans, they basically are pre-made. So they come already fanned out, like you would use them for the volume eyelash extensions within each tray. So the pro for the pre-made fan is it's really easy to use for volume eyelashes because they're already pre-made for you. So you apply them just like you would apply the classic eyelashes. But a con is, since they are pre-made within each tray, you would end up using maybe 2 full trays for a full set for a client. So it ends up costing you a lot more because all the hands-on work is done for you already. You don't have to make the fans. And the last one is the Lash flat lashes. So we call them matte flat eyelashes. And the reason for that is because they're the mattest of our eyelashes. So if somebody doesn't want any shine to their eyelash extensions, this is the one to go with. These are the lashes you should use because they are matte. And the reason why they're matte is because they're created, as you can see in the diagram, they're created in an ellipse base. The flat base allows the eyelash extension to bond perfectly on the natural eyelash for longer lasting results. And this allows them to absorb light and appear as matte as possible. So basically, what the matte flat lashes are, the main difference compared to the Mink eyelashes is regular Mink eyelashes have a round base, just like that. So if this is a really zoomed in eyelash, that's how it's gonna look. It's a circle, like our hair, like our natural eyelashes, okay? The matte flat lashes is designed to have an ellipse or a flat base, and that's the main difference between them. But since it is a flat base, what happens is as the light hits the eyelash, it doesn't reflect off of it as much as it would from a round surface. A little bit of science for you guys. So that's why they also appear a lot more matte. And the light is more absorbed, looks matte. Light shines back, looks more shiny. Looking at the diagram, you can really see the difference of the base. And the last picture shows you how they're split in the tips to give it a fuller look, even if you're only using one eyelash for a classic